Windfall, wonderful, honest, rummy win. This is your friend James. Hey, listen, this is no substitution for divine healing from God. But this is I wanted to just share this. This is something I've discovered works very, very well with congestion of the throat, nose. We'll start with apple cider vinegar. It is antibiotic and it does clear out congestion. Cayenne pepper does reduce inflammation among many other things, and it does clear out congestion. It really does, because it has caspian in it. Turmeric, this is actually an antioxidant, so that's also something in there. This is ground ginger. Ginger actually is a antibiotic, so it actually gets rid of infections and stuff, just like vitamin C. And of course we'll zoom in a little bit. This is cinnamon is actually antibiotic as well. I'm not including it in what's name. I'm gonna make some. I've been making what do you call it? What's that stuff? Oatmeal. So that goes good with oatmeal, but cinnamon's good for that. And of course, you can also put this. Water. Water is the base for it. That's a water filter. Water is the base for it. So you pretty much put. If you're going to do a cup, put about that much water in it. You have a teacup, about that much water all the way to the top, near the top. So leave about whatever. And then you add, apple cider vinegar and put it in there. And then, of course, you put a nice good, I never actually got up to a teaspoon, but you can put a teaspoon of each of these in there. But, so I don't have a teacup for you, but let me see. Let me see if there's a teacup in the dishwasher. Yes, there is a teacup in the dishwasher. Yeah, I'd probably fill it up to about there. So the teacup, fill it up to about there, because the majority of the stuff you're getting in water, and then you add apple cider, enough to move up the water level, and then you add the other stuff. So that's it. So that's but first and foremost, you must believe the Lord for divine healing, because if you don't, this is all mute, because the divine healing from God is the standard. That's the foundation for your health. But this will help you while you're reading your healing scriptures. This is certainly do that. And it'll work as well. But I mean, reading and praising, and you need to rest and relax. So, and like I said, you can make some little small ones. I would have used the normal ones, but all of our stuff is, the thing I was going to put in is have to wash out. But this, you can actually make these, and I would probably say once every 3 hours or once every 6 hours. Actually, I did it in the morning and at nighttime. That's always been, I've used that a lot. But if you want to do it every 3 hours, that'd be good. And you can actually drink prep. Love y'all. Live, move, be.